Hello there, my name is Paul Adams. I'm the Director of Product Management for Dragon Medical, which is part of Nuance Healthcare. And I'm here today to give you a sneak peek into one of our new features available in Dragon Medical Practice Edition. Today I'm going to talk to you about creating a profile. This is one of the key components to Dragon Medical, and it's essential that this is done correctly when you first install your software. It in many ways will dictate the quality of the dictation that you're able to take through to your clinical documentation. What I've done so far is I've set up the computer, I've loaded the software in, and I'm about to create a new profile. This is the screen that you'll see initially, and again one of the things we try to do is make it more user-friendly, and you'll see that as we go through the different steps there'll always be these click here box if you want further information. Again, it's just a case of clicking here. It'll take you to the help menu, which is context sensitive, and show you the relevant information regarding to the section that you're in. So we are now going to go to the next, and we have to enter a name for the profile. So we'll call this Paul Dragon. Once we've got the name, we hit the next. The next question it's going to ask us is the general age of the profile user. And again, if you want to know why, you can go to the help menu and it'll explain why the age is important. And for me, my age is between 22 and 54, and that's more than close enough, so we'll go to next. It's going to ask what region we're in, and we are in the United States, so that's already been pre-selected. And then it wants to know what vocabulary we're going to be using most of the time. And as you can see, we have a very extensive list of medical specialities, and I'm going to go down to, for this particular demonstration, the general vocabulary, and I'm going to select next. The next thing it wants to know is about accents, and as you can see, for this new edition we have a large number of accents, including not only British and Indian, but Pakistani, Southern US and Spanish accented English as well. I'm going to select British accented English, of course. And now we go to next. The next question it wants to know is what type of microphone I'm going to be using to set up this profile, and I'll be using the Power Mic 2, but clearly there are a number of other microphones that are available through Dragon Medical and third-party suppliers. So here we are with our choices to make sure we've made all the right selections. This profile name is Paul Dragon. My age is between 22 and 54. The region is the United States. Vocabulary is general. Accent is British accented English. Audio source is the microphone Power 2, and that's all correct. So we'll go straight to create. So the first thing it wants to make sure is that we've got the microphone properly positioned in front of our mouth, and we want to be about 1 inch away. And whether you're wearing a headset or a handheld microphone like the Power Mic 2, this is very important to follow in terms of our instructions. So once we're set up there, we go to the next step. So the first thing it wants to do is understand to make sure that it's got the volume settings correct. And what it's going to ask us to do is to read some text here in this box. Which takes about 10 seconds. We'll hit the start volume check bottom and you'll see a bar move up and down here on the right. And when it's ready or complete, it'll make a beep sound to say we've completed. Here it's looking for the quality of our sound system, and it's very similar to the volume test. We're going to read a small section of text. We'll see some movement in this box here. Once the test is complete, there will be a bell to tell us we've completed that test. The next step is very important and takes about 4 minutes. And what happens here is that we're going to be asked to read some text so that the system can learn how our voice works and how it sounds. We have a number of options. We can use the show text with prompting, show text without prompting, and in fact we can actually skip the training. What we'll do is to show you how the training works with prompting. We hit the go button. Welcome to general training. Training is about to begin. Now we can select the text, the various different types of text examples. As you can see, there's pathology, radiology, medical, and so some general text. And I'm going to select the medical report. For this training, we would like you to read aloud a few minutes while the computer listens to you and learns how you speak. So once you've completed your user profile, you will then have the choice to select automatic updating of the profile. This can occur in the background and occurs once a week, usually at between 2 and 3 AM. What this does, it will take your current profile and optimize the acoustic and the linguistic models to make sure that it's fully up to date, and any new changes are included the next time you use it. This is important because it means that as time passes, the system becomes more and more engaged with your voice, and they're consequently more accurate. And so it's very a nice feature to have. And again, the key component to this is that it occurs in the background. All you have to do is to make sure that your computer is left on and that Dragon is switched off. And at 2 and 3 a.m. in the morning, it will carry out that work automatically for you. So there you have it. That's one of the new features that we have available today in Dragon Medical Practice Edition, profile optimization. Definitely an improvement over our previous editions, and we hope you enjoy using it. Thank you very much.